Hey guys, it's Jessica here, your queen of contracts, tenders and compliance. I wanted to do a quick video to talk to you a little bit about who I am and how you can work with me. So I own a CQC registered supported living service based in the Midlands, and it's through that business that I became a bid writer. Now, I understood the importance of being on local authority portals in order to get clients. Now, since then, I have won millions upon millions of pounds worth of business for myself and for my clients. Now, there are 4 ways in which you can work with me. So first of all, as a bid writer, I can complete bids for tenders, contracts and grants for yourself as a sole trader or a limited company. I do work with a team of bid writers, so regardless of the sector or industry that you are in, we can help you. Secondly, it's a bid search service. Now, if number one, you just don't have the time to look for tenders, for contracts, for grant opportunities, or if you don't know where to look, you're not sure how to navigate the different portals or where to even find them, then you can get in touch and we can help you with that. Thirdly, it's through training. So whether in person or via Zoom, we can train yourself, we can train your team on how to apply for tenders, how to apply for grants, how to write compelling responses to questions, how to structure the financial side of things. We can do the training on all of those different aspects to ensure that whoever is applying for tenders or contracts in your organization has a winning chance. And finally, it's through a bid review service. If you are new to bid writing, if you're not sure, you're not 100% confident with what you've written, if you want that reviewed before you submit the application, then we can also help you with that. Now, if you want to work with us or if you want more information, then feel free to send me an email. I'll post my email address somewhere around here, or you can send me a DM. Okay, thank you very much. Have a lovely day and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye bye.